For those of you interested in the trade-up offer that we have at the moment, and you want to see what the differences are between the TM5 and the TM6, I'm going to go through 3 key differences. First off is high heat. You can access up to 160 degrees in your TM6 through guided cooking and 120 with the TM5. Let me show you that difference by cooking off some onions in both models, and we'll see what they look like. So the TM6 is using the guided recipe for browned onions, 16 minutes on high temperature, and the TM5, we've popped 16 minutes on 120 degrees speed soft. You can already hear the sizzle on the TM6. You can hear that the TM6, the blade stops and starts, whereas the TM5 continuously moves around. It kind of mimics what you do on the stovetop. When you're with a pot and a pan, you would give it a stir, you'd stop, and that's basically what it's doing in the TM6. The difference with cooking your onions on high heat and getting that real brown and caramelized to your onion is it's going to intensify the flavor in your meal. While this is cooking, let me go through the other 2 features that separate these 2 models. The second key feature is that the TM5 has a cook key, and you need to sync the cook key so that you can access your recipes on Cookidoo. Whereas the TM6 is wirelessly connected and you can access Cookidoo on the screen of your Thermomix. Whatever you meal plan on your Cookidoo app or on your desktop computer will instantly be found on the TM6. And last but definitely not least, the TM6 gives you access to modes, which you can access on the screen of your Thermomix by swiping left. Right, let's have a look. They've browned and there's some ooey gooey goodness at the base there that's just going to intensify your dish. How awesome is that? Big difference between the TM5 and the TM6. All with the same time, just a different temperature. TM5 trade up is on now, so if you're interested in finding out more information, chat to your consultant or jump on over to our website.